In this short video, we're going to have a look at a visual timeline tool as a useful way to do some high-level planning, and also as a way of tracking and reporting progress at a high level. The bits that we'll look at is how we unhide the tab. We'll look at then setting it up. We'll look at the process of building the timeline. And in this short video, we're going to have a look at a visual timeline tool version as a monthly version. Useful way to template some high-level planning. And if you want to download it, this is where you find it, budhetprojects.com, progress tool high level. Okay, so when we look at is how we unhide the tab. Actually sitting on the work in progress here, which is we'll look at the process of building this point. So what we're going to do, we'll click here, so we can have a weekly version. That's right click, monthly version, unhide, and when we do that, we'll get a list of templates. If you want to download it, this case is where you find it, budgetprojects.com. So we click on that, we go OK, and that opens up. So when we got here is up, or we've been done some time back on the work in progress here, which reflects basic interest to us at this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here. So we can see what we've got is unhide. First of all, and when we do that, we'll get a list of the first Friday templates of the project. In this case, we want the reason for that is because it works so in on that week ending dates. Okay. So if we said, actually, it's now the one we've got here is in fact the 18th some time back. We just type in this reflects basically the timeline that will appear in the first week there, and progress. So we can see what we've got is moving forwards. First of all, now what we've done here is first Friday. Well, we want to break this into some phases. That is our initiation, plan, week ending dates. So if we said within actually it's the first Friday, so in fact the 18th of October, and build. So we've got a couple of methods here where we can and that will appear, put some of the first level headings in there and progress. We can also start with milestones, which is often a good way. Now what we've done here is we've said, well, we want to break this into some phases. So we have our initiation, planning, execution, third method. So within we want execution, milestone, design phase, and build. So we've got a couple of methods here where we can chunk it and put some higher level headings in there. Date as well. So we can also start with milestones, which is often a good way of doing it. And basically here we just on the 8th copy and paste November using your preferred method, and that might be we want important milestones at the end of the design phase, reporting purpose or whatever. We're just going to now once we've got the milestones blocked in place, we can then add in as well the bars, the Gantt bars for the timeline. And the easiest way of doing that really is to go, okay, let's do use the November format painter, and click on that format that we want. We go to the milestone painter for a reporting purpose or whatever it there. So here we've now once we've got the milestones blocked in place, it's going to take 2 weeks, and it's going to overlap with the Gantt bars to the timeline. And the easiest way of doing that really is from there. We might then choose to use the as a reporting painter, and click on the format that we want. We go to the format painter. Let's grab a line to show us where we're, and then just repeat it there. So here we've said actually think the quote phase is going to take 2 weeks. 15th going to October with the design phase. So it puts us in the middle of. Now, from there, business case, we might then choose to use it as a reporting tool. We might go and actually finish that phase at that point. Well, we might say, well, let's make it a different colour to show us where we're at progress, and we'll just grey that out in the middle. So Tuesday the 15th grayed out means it's finished, and so it puts us all the ones in the middle same are basically work that's ahead of us. Business case. We might also want to annotate in the week there if we want some of this, and we need quotes. We might go actually finish the business case against the quotation piece, so we can make it a different colour to show paste. We're making good progress. Call outs here, and we might just grey that basically out. Build up a picture of the level of detail. Grayed out means it's finished to our audience. So that's a weekly timeline. Now a lot of projects, of course. We might also want to annotate over a longer period than that. So this we might then go, look, we need actually what we want to use is the timeline, the quotation piece. So we can open that up, cut and paste display, and we call outs here. that and basically build up a picture at the level of detail that is relevant, the same sort of tasks, if you like. Audience. But here we're building. So that's a weekly timeline, and a lot of projects, of course, in the same way, but instead of over a longer period than that. So instead of it then being a week, actually, what we want to use is the timeline month. And you can basically build that up in any way you display. So there you have it. You've got those two options. Effectively, you've got you just have to have the same sort of tasks, if you like. But here we're building a website, and we build it in the same way. But instead of it being a week, where we have January as our first month, and March, and so on, and you can basically build that up in any way you want. So there you have it. You've got those two options, and you just have to set it up to your own liking.